This is Apple's latest Pro phone, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. As soon as we remove the lid, we're presented with the all-new iPhone. And this is the deep blue color, and you can see this all-new design with this two-tone look on the back. It's an aluminum unibody design with this ceramic shield plate on the back, and I personally think it looks really nice. We'll put that to the side and see what else you get inside the box. You still get the charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, and this is a white braided cable. Nice to see that still inside the box. I don't know how much longer we'll have this inside the box, to be honest, but we have it here. And that's pretty much it. You get some paperwork, but no more stickers, no more Apple stickers inside the box. Okay, let's talk first impressions of the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I've only had it for a couple of days now, and performance-wise, the iPhone has always been great, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max adds to that greatness already. The all-new internal cooling system that's going to allow for better sustained performance, I think works really well because I haven't had any issues with this phone overheating. It's only been a couple of days, but I haven't had any problems with it overheating or feeling hot to the touch or slowing down. This phone is performing fantastic. Now, when it comes to battery life, it's still really early as well, but it's been solid, I would say. The first day of using this phone, obviously I'm still downloading things onto my iPhone, getting everything ready. On my second full day of using this phone, it lasted me the whole day. I felt like I never needed to put this on a charger, and that wasn't something I said previously with the previous Pro Max phones. The 16 Pro Max obviously had really good battery life, but this one is even better because it has that bigger battery, and the A19 Pro chip inside is just a fantastic chip when it comes to power consumption. So all in all, I would say when it comes to performance, so far it's been really good, but more testing, more using the phone on a daily basis. Something may come up and I'll of course share what I find in my full review. Now, when it comes to the design has really grown on me. I much prefer this phone over the previous design. I like the aluminum unibody design. I like the back plate having that two-tone look. It looks like Apple's kind of going back to that aluminum unibody design that they used to have, but of course there's some limitations. You have to have some glass on the back if you want to have wireless charging. This is ceramic shield on the back, so this phone should be more durable than the previous iPhones because it had a full glass back. It was more susceptible to damage. This one has a smaller area, and the glass that it does have is more durable than the previous version. So all in all, I really just do like the design. It's not a huge, drastic change from the previous iPhone, but the small tweaks that they did make this year, I think makes for a better looking phone. Some people really don't like this new aluminum unibody. Now, when it comes to durability, I haven't had any scratches. I know that's something that a lot of people are bringing up because this is aluminum now, it's not titanium. It's much more susceptible to scratches. I haven't seen that yet. I'll have to use the phone more, and obviously that may come up and I'll let you know, but so far it's been fine. Another thing that I'm kind of, I guess, a little disappointed in is the colors. I'm not a big fan of this blue. This is probably the best color this year, to be honest. The orange is just way too flashy in my opinion, and I'm not a huge iPhone in white color. I always go for the black color, but this year they didn't give us a black color. I don't know why. This phone would look amazing in black, but we don't have it. Instead, we have this blue. It's very similar to the midnight blue color that used to come in the MacBook Air, if you remember that color when it was first released. The only difference is I think this one's probably a little darker and there's less fingerprints on this one. That midnight blue for the MacBook Air was a fingerprint magnet. This one does a really nice job at just not displaying all those fingerprints all over the phone, which I really appreciate. It's more of a matte finish on the aluminum, and also on the ceramic shield on the back, it's more of a frosted glass, and it just makes the phone feel great and look so much better as well. But I do appreciate what Apple did here, and I think it was time to make some changes to the design. It's not, like I said before, it's not huge changes to the design, but it's enough to make this phone feel and look different, and I like it. And honestly, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like this new design. When I saw the leaks prior to this phone being released, I'll be honest, I did not like those leaks. I did not like how the iPhone looked. But now after the actual phone was released and now we have the actual true images of what the iPhone looks like in the hand, it's much better. But this is still really early. Performance, camera, I'm still playing around with. Battery life, it's gonna have to settle into my pattern of using the phone for me to actually get true performance when it comes to battery life. And in my full review, I'll give plenty of details of how all those things stack up with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But what do you guys think of the new iPhone? What's your impressions of the design? I think that's mainly the first thing that we can really look at is the design, if we actually like how it looks in person. And so far, first impressions, I really like how this iPhone looks, but maybe that's not what you think. Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.